Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys step by step on how you can create WhatsApp for your business, WhatsApp group for your business. Most of the reason why we create WhatsApp group is for maybe we want to organize a training or we want to organize a seminar that we need to gather 2 to 10 or 2 to 257 people on a single group. So in this video, if you are finding it difficult to create WhatsApp group, all you have to do is to watch the step by step on how I'm going to show you guys in this video and see how you too can create WhatsApp group, maybe for advertisement or for whatsoever purpose you want to create the group for. So let's get today's practical started. But before we get today's practical started, guys, I would like to remind you to subscribe to this channel if you are very new to my channel, and if you find a follow for this video, hit a like button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon when you subscribe to the channel. So let's get today's practical started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to head onto my WhatsApp now. Now, when you open up your WhatsApp, how it's going to look like. Then, to get started with how to create your WhatsApp group, all you have to do is to come to the top left corner. At the top left corner of your WhatsApp, you have to see a 3 dot there. Click on the 3 dots. So when you click on 3 dots, this is going to pop up. And this, you can see from the screen here that I'm using business WhatsApp. The normal WhatsApp also is still the same process. All you have to do is to follow the step I'm taking in this video and see how you can create your WhatsApp group. So the next thing you have to do here is to click on new group. So after you click on new group, so the next thing you have to do is to select a particular contact number from your phone. So in this regard, I'm going to select this person here. Then you click on this green button here, which means continue. So having click on that, at this point here, this is where you're going to name your group. So you tap on here and enter the name of the group. I'm going to name this a graphic design and freelancing. Okay, graphic design class. Okay, so having named the graphic design class, so the next thing you are going to do is to click on this green bar button here. Good. So this is how you create a group on WhatsApp. So now after you have successfully created your group, there are a lot of things, some of things you need to do as far as the group is concerned. You can decide to copy the group link and send it to people that you want them to join the group. So all you have to do is to tap on the group here. When you tap on the group, then you have to scroll down, and for invite link, you can see it here, invite link. Then it's going to load automatically. Then you copy the link. So when you copy the link, you can send the link to whoever you want to join the group, and you can as well use this particular link to serve as your landing page when you run advertisement. So you just for the purpose of driving the traffic into your WhatsApp group. So, and I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, click like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks about using WhatsApp for business or for personal use. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.